Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video I would like to share with you about my mission, motivation and also my plans for the next years. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give me likes, leave your comments, please support me. And I will be so happy to get a feedback from you. And also it will motivate me to make more and more video lessons for you, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. Поїхали! Let's get started! I would like to start this video about short introduction about myself. So my name is Ina Samoilova. This is my full name. I'm 26 years old. I was born and raised in the family of teachers in the south of Ukraine. And I got a master's degree in linguistics and translations. And according to my education, I can also be a teacher. And I started my career 5 years ago as a teacher of English for Ukrainians. And then I got an offer to teach a guy from Turkey the Ukrainian language because he decided to enter the university in Kyiv. And then to tell the truth, I didn't think that this is a very serious job to teach Ukrainian language at the second foreign language via Skype. I didn't think that this is something serious, and also my mom and some of my friends said, oh, that's not so serious, you need to get a serious job. Again, I repeat this word many times. You need to work in an office, you have to think about getting some better career, to earn more money, etc. And actually I worked in the office 3 years ago, but I felt very upset, I felt very depressed, and I'm an introvert, and for me it's very difficult to communicate with many people a lot. I don't like huge companies, companies of people, and and yes, it was a very difficult period in my time, and I didn't know what I really want in this life, what I want to do. But then I decided to quit, and I decided to work more with my students. And actually I got more and more students from different countries, and they wanted to learn Ukrainian language, to explore our culture, our history. And then I realized that's my mission. I didn't really think about that. It just came in my life by itself, and I really happy that it happened. And also it helped me a lot to work with myself. Before it was very difficult for me to have a conversation on phone with strangers, and when I started my Skype lessons I felt very nervous. I was shaking like this, and for me it was difficult to understand the accent of different people from United States, from Europe, from Asia, etc. It was very difficult. So I had a very big transformation of myself, of my personality, of my skills, and now I can easily, not really easily, but I can record these video lessons, I can keep working on this YouTube channel, and I'm very happy that my work also helped me to grow a lot as a personality, as a professional person, and also to spread my beautiful Ukrainian language. So my mission, guys, is to teach the whole world my beautiful language. That's my mission, that's my goal, that's what I'm going to do. in the next year, in the next 5 years. That's my mission, guys. What about my motivation? My motivation is the situation in Ukraine. And to tell the truth, before all the situation on Maidan and the Russian-Ukrainian war, we have war in Ukraine with Russia. Russia is our aggressor. It attacked Ukraine. That's the truth. And many people don't consider this very serious or think that we have here a civil war. But no, we have a Russian-Ukrainian war in the east of Ukraine. And before, I didn't really value my native language. I saw that everything is good in Ukraine. I really like my life. But when we had this Maidan and the war, and I really saw how my people, my land, my native language are faced with this aggression, are faced with the domination, and I mean the domination that other nation, other language is dominated upon us. And I thought, wow, I didn't really expected that it can happen in my country, in my life. And I was blind. And when I can say that these horrible events in my country have gave a sparkle in me to keep working on my project, to keep making more learning materials for you guys. And I want to tell you that I'm going to teach more Ukrainian language. And from my side, I'm as a citizen of Ukraine, I want to contribute to the development of my country, to the development of my language, of my culture, of my history. And I would like to contribute, again, I want to repeat this word, from myself, by doing my project, by helping Ukrainians who had to move to other countries during the 20th century, because for them it was very dangerous to stay here and to speak their native language, and they had to immigrate. And my mission is to help their children, their grandchildren who are actually heritage learners, to learn their native language. Also, if you're interested in living in Ukraine and making business here, doing business here, I'm so happy to help you also. And if you want to travel to Ukraine, that's also my mission. Actually, my motivation is to tell people about my language, about my culture. I want to make the Ukrainization back, and I'm the Ukrainian, and I'm proud to be Ukrainian. My motivation right now is to make the contribution to the development of my language across the world by making my project. And although this year was very difficult, of course, the coronavirus is a very big challenge for everybody, but I kept working and I created my own online Ukrainian language school, Speak Ukrainian. I'm so proud, I'm so happy. You can check out my website, just type speakia.com, and welcome to my online school, where you can get the Skype lessons, where you can purchase my textbooks, Master Ukrainian Cases, I'm sure you heard about it, and also my flashcards that can help you to learn Ukrainian verbs, so please check it out. And also, yeah, for this year I created my online school, I published my textbook, I launched the flashcards, now I have a team of teachers who work together with me in my online school, who can help you to reach your language goal. And I have a small team who motivates, who helps me to keep working on my project. And I hope it will grow in the next year, in the next 5 years. And what are my plans? My plans are to launch Ukrainian language courses, and I'm going to do that next year. I hope everything will be good and I will be able to do that. And also I want to keep making more and more learning materials for you. Maybe I will start writing a textbook for beginners in Ukrainian language. And I have a very big dream. Okay, I will share with you my dream. My dream is to open Ukrainian language and cultural center in Kyiv. I hope it will come true within the next 5 years, maybe earlier, I don't know. I hope that I will find people who will be glad to share my mission, my motivation, my dream. Yes, so I believe it will come true. I hope my family, God will help me in a realization of this dream. That's very important for me. Yeah, so that's are my plans. And of course I want to spread my project across different countries. I want to go to different countries. I want to talk about my project. I want to help more and more people from Ukrainian diaspora, from maybe Ukrainian different maybe Ukrainian clubs, to keep working together to spread Ukrainian language, culture and our traditions, etc. So I was glad to share with you about the most important things in my life, and my project is my priority. And please give me your likes, give me your comments. What do you think? And I was very outspoken with you, so I hope you will support me. I hope. So let it be. Let everything come true. I believe so. So thank you everybody who supports me. Thank you everybody who learn Ukrainian language with me. Thank you for watching this video lessons. It's very important for me. And yes, I hope next year will be better. I hope you will be able to come to Ukraine. Maybe we can meet in Ukraine, who knows. And in the next year, I wish all your dreams come true. So learn Ukrainian, share this video with your friends in different groups, communities. I will be so glad to get it. So, побачимося у новому році. See you in the new year. Бажаю вам всього найкращого. I wish you all the best. Здоров'я. Health. Це дуже важливо. That's very important. І дуже дякую. Thank you a lot. До побачення. See you soon and па-па.